finally found the hidden shaft leading to the Führer bunker's lowest levels.
These markings prove we are in a zone that doesn't exist on any official map.
This massive seal hasn't been touched since 1945, and the air is getting heavy. Someone left this room in a hurry, leaving behind their most personal belongings. This map shows the terrifying scale of the world they were trying to build.
I found it. The personal suitcase hidden behind these curtains for 80 years.
The glint of this gold is blinding after all this darkness.
This folder contains orders that were never meant to be seen.
The air here is ice cold, and the silence is absolutely terrifying.
These blueprints conferred there is an even deeper level we didn't know about.
We have reached the ultimate sanctum, the very heart of the underground empire.
This secret theater shows how they planned their propaganda from deep underground.
I'm surrounded by thousands of books that once belonged to the inner circle. The temperature here is freezing, and the air smells like ancient metal and oil.
secret exit leading past the main structure.
This watch belonged to someone high up. Maybe even him.
This path leads straight to the hidden subway branch used for the final escape. This wagon is still loaded with crates, marked for immediate transport out of Berlin.
Three different ways to go, but the map said to follow the red line.
Everything here was built to last 1,000 years, yet it's all rotting in silence. I can't believe it. These are the original flight logs for the final transport. The motion sensors just triggered. Someone or something is coming for me.